Good afternoon and welcome back to the channel. Paul here from Who Knows Where. I'm in Chester and I'm about to book in for one night stay in this hotel behind me. It's the Mill Hotel and Spa. I booked the one night bed and breakfast. Let's go and see what the hotel is like. Right, all checked in, that was that simple. So we're in room 308. That's this way. Right, so it's room 308. Let's see what the room is like. Just turn you round. It's not a very big room, but it's got everything you need. So a large double bed, power points again, and USB points. I can see 2 power points, 4 USB points. Bed looks clean, pillows look clean. Let's pull this back. Yes, absolutely spotless bed. Like a rustic open hanging area. That's quite snazzy. Hair dryer, that'll come in handy for me. Fan, heater, kettle inspection, here we go. Yes, that looks clean inside. Tea, coffee and biscuits. Yeah, large TV, a mirror. Very basic, but it's what you need. One thing I will say so far is that the walls are like paper. So I've just heard someone walking past in flip-flops and it sounds like a thunderstorm. So I can hear the telly next door. Well, I think I can hear 2 tellies either side. So these walls are literally, they're just plasterboard. That's basically what they are, separating the rooms. Let's check out the bathroom. Quite a large shower. Nice and clean. It is compact. This room is compact. This is classed as the classic double. Very clinical, very white. So that's basically what you have. You've got to move out the way to close the door because the shower door is in the way. It's very tight and compact in the bathroom. But it looks clean. Looks very clean. Right, so there you have the tour of the room. It's not a very big room, you don't really get a lot. But this is classed as the classic double room here at the Mill Hotel and Spa. Let's go and check out the rest of the hotel. Right, I've just returned from having a quick swim down in the leisure centre. Um, I did take a little bit of a video, but people don't like being videoed, so I had to do it very quickly. But there is a steam room, a sauna, a jacuzzi, a fully equipped gym, of course, the swimming pool, and a beauty centre as well, a beauty spa centre. So I've just, as I said, just been down for a quick swim, and I'll see you in the morning. Right, good morning. Um, it's the day after the night before. What can I say? Another good night's sleep on this bed. Right, I'm going to take you down to breakfast. I'm not sure if it's continental or a full English, but we'll find out when we get down there. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to do much recording because, as in most of the hotel videos, they don't like you recording because people don't like being watched while they're eating. So I'll see what I can get. I might just be able to take a picture of my own breakfast just to show you what the breakfast looks like. So come on, let's go down for breakfast. I was correct. I tried to do a little bit of recording while I was having breakfast. Too many staff about, too many people coming into the restaurant as well, so I couldn't do that. Right, my verdict on this hotel, the Mill Hotel and Spa here in Chester. The room, compact is the word I'm looking for, but it does its job. Nice big size bed, very comfortable, didn't have a problem sleeping, even though our room backs onto the canal, which is right next to a main road. Still had a good night's sleep. Didn't really hear much noise. So the room did its job. Nice bathroom, hot water, nice shower. The hotel's basically what it is. Doesn't really have a lot to offer. It has a bar, the restaurant, and then the good side, the only good side of it that I would say is the spa side. You do have, that's in a separate building, but it's part of the hotel when you book. That is the good side of it. But the hotel itself is just the normal hotel, a bar, restaurant, and your bedroom. Very clean, nice staff. Can't really say much more about the hotel. The breakfast itself was probably one of the best breakfasts I've had. Quite a large breakfast as well. There was, because I couldn't show you, there was cereal, there was cakes, fruit juices, yogurts, and then you could see what was on my plate. A good variety for a full English breakfast, so you can't argue with the breakfast either. All included in the same price. Now this is the price. Do your research on the internet, check your travel agents, check your booking agents, because the price varied. I could see it for per night for 2 people, bed and breakfast, £120. That's what I could see the price for. But I did a bit of a search, looked around as much as I could, and I got this room, which is a classic double room for 2 people. 2 people, breakfast included, with the spa, the room, everything, for £81. So the price can vary from £81. You might be able to get it cheaper than that. I couldn't, but it goes from £81 for 2 people up to 120 for the same room. So we stayed on a Tuesday evening into Wednesday morning. So the price might vary as we gradually get towards the weekend. So that brings me to a close for this video. Did you enjoy this hotel? The Mill Hotel and Spa in Chester. Have you been here before? What do you think of the facilities? I've enjoyed it. Well worth the price. £40, 50 pence. And you get the spa included. I love you and leave you. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and of course, hit that notification bell. Bye for now.